Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dry lion's mane. First, it's crucial to clean your mushroom properly. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently remove any dirt or debris. Avoid rinsing it under water, as this can make the drying process much longer. Also, be sure to trim off any parts that look discolored or feel too tough. Next, prepare your lion's mane for drying by slicing it. Aim for uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Consistency is key here, as thinner slices will dry much faster and more evenly. Once sliced, arrange the pieces in a single layer on a drying rack, ensuring good airflow around each piece. Now, let's choose a drying method. A food dehydrator is ideal. Set it between 100 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have one, you can air dry the slices in a well-ventilated room for several days. Oven drying is also an option at its lowest temperature, but remember to keep the oven door slightly ajar to allow moisture to escape. Finally, proper storage is essential to maintain the quality of your dried lion's mane. Make sure the mushrooms are completely brittle and snap easily before you store them. Any remaining moisture can lead to spoilage. Place the fully dried pieces in an airtight container and keep it in a cool, dark place. This will preserve their potency for a long time. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.